everyone, it is Mike, your Real Low Dad. I want to welcome you back today, a very special day, a day that we have worked all year for, through blood, sweat, tears, nagging wives, and looks of amusement and confusion from our neighbors. And what else? There's only one thing I could be talking about, and that is Halloween Domination. It's a very special time of year. I want to say it's probably the second most special time of year. The first being that inaugural mow of the season, where everything's, pulled out of the shed, pulled out of the garage, fired up. The smell of gasoline and fresh cut grass clippings fill the air. That begins it. Today ends it. Okay, so now I need to bring everyone up to speed. Quite a few people already know about this. But I want everyone on the same page from this point going forward. What makes today a very special day is back in September, in a bout of foolish pride, I challenged someone to a lawn stripe off. Now this person is known for their lawn stripes. They're fantastic. Everything about them just oozes excellence, domination, and just freaking sweetness. It's what everyone aims for in their yards. And I just straight up said, bam, here we go. I challenge you to a stripe off. I did it via a YouTube comment that you all can see right here. Now I didn't think anything would come of that, but give it a couple minutes and my grass father chimes in that he's also game and he's in on it, and so he replied with this. So there we have it. Over the next couple weeks, things took off. Plans were developed. We had some communication back and forth exactly what would go on, and today is the day. We are going to show you the end results. I'm looking forward to it. I was given the opportunity to see his final result, and I said no, I'm waiting till the video. I've kind of went silent. I'm showing some pictures of rotary mower blades, but nothing really in my yard. Okay, so what we're going to do now is give you all a little look over the past, I think it's been about 45 days since I proposed this challenge. I'm going to give you a little rundown slideshow, as it may be, of what I've done through then. I've tried some things worked, some things didn't. Everything you'll notice in one picture was looking super hot. Oh man, any better and the yard would be wearing Ranger panties. And then I did something stupid. I should have held out a little bit, but again, foolish pride, arrogance, they got the best of me, as it always does. And so I've had to recover from that, and it's not really the time of year to recover from what I did, but things are going pretty well. So there we have it. That's what I've done, the past 45 days or so. And now I want to take you into what I did to prepare for today. This was a several day process. We have been under our typical East Tennessee winter weather, is what I like to call it. It's very rare that we actually have blue skies this time of year. Pretty much once mid-October hits, it's just gloomy, gray, overcast with the occasional blue sky and bitter cold. However, today, oh man, it's a nice 70 degrees. It's almost Ranger panty weather. So with that, here's what I did. I broke out the rotary for this. I put a brand new blade. That's a blade that you all saw on Instagram because I know you follow me there. And I left it at the setting it's been at all year long, just slightly higher, well, about double what my normal height of cut is. And I just made passes over the yard. Okay, so I did the several passes of the yard, every direction possible. The front was pretty simple. I didn't show the back because it was a whole lot more involved and I didn't feel like taking the time to film all that. So that takes us into now. Laying down the final stripes. I changed up the pattern. I was shooting for some ludicrous stripes and a nice plaid pattern, but things weren't working out this time of year. The conditions weren't right, the temperatures dropped. I wasn't getting the growth from the rye that I wanted to lay down those stripes. So that's a goal for next year, is ludicrous stripes all the way. I want to see those spread. And so here's what I have. Here's a little quick shot of what I did. Enjoy. So there we have it. This is what I laid down. This is my final submission. There were a lot of things I tried, but honestly, at the end of the day, I settled for something simple. I went with just what I call some double fat diamonds, double stripes, boom. I want to give a personal big shout out to Ryan Knorr, super cool dude. I can't wait to meet him in person one day. I've had a great time with this. I'm sure he has as well. You can check out his video coming up here. It'll be right about in this area of the screen. Of course, you need to subscribe down here in this bottom of the screen. Also hit the like button below, and I want you to hit the bell as well to subscribe. I got some cool stuff coming up here in the off season. I don't know when exactly my off season is going to end, since I do have the ryegrass. Hopefully it won't end too soon, but you know, the wife, she is looking forward to it ending. I kind of, I want it to, but we'll see. I have headlights now, so I can mow whenever I want to mow. And so with that, go take a look at Ryan's video. I know that's where I'm going next. I want to see what he did and see his impressive stripe action. And you know, let us know if we need to do this again next year, if we need to add some more people to this, because I had a great time doing it. I'm pretty sure Ryan had a great time doing it. Made some new friends along the way. And so with that, it's Real Low Dad checking out on Halloween Domination. I will see you all here in the coming weeks.